Hello students, welcome to IIT Foundation. So myself Shankar, I am your physics teacher. So we'll continue the last topic. We are doing the problems on screw gauge. We will continue that. In the last class we have completed. So up to the 8th problem we have completed the next term. Today we will start from 9th one. So in page number 52, so 9th problem is there here. A screw gauge has 100 parts on a circular scale and on rotation of a full circular scale, the screw gauge advances advances a distance of 1 millimeter. The least count of the screw gauge is. Okay, there are 100 divisions are there here. N is equals to 100 divisions on the circular scale. On rotation of a full circular scale, the screw gauge advances a distance of 1 meter. On one full rotation, the circular scale will be advances 1 meter. Then here we can write there pitch is equals to 1 mm. So it will be advances 1 mm there. So pitch is equals to 1 mm. The least count of the screw gauge they are asking there. Least count of the screw gauge. We know the formula. Least count is equals to how much? Least count formula we know that. So pitch divided by number of circular scale divisions or head scale divisions. Okay. So here least count is equals to, so pitch is equals to, here we'll get there 1 mm divided by number of head scale divisions or circular scale divisions are 100. 1 by 100 we can write here 0.01 mm. So if it is in centimeters, it will become 1 mm 0.1 by 10 centimeters, no? Because 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 mm. Then 1 mm is equals to 1 by 10 centimeters. So here we'll get the least count is equals to 0.001 centimeters. In centimeters is this answer. In centimeter, it is that answer there. So all our options are given in the centimeters only. Therefore, here option, correct answer, option 3. Answer option 3. Okay. Number of head scale divisions or circular scale divisions is given and pitch is given there. One full scale rotation, then the circular scale advances 1 mm. So that we can write pitch is nothing but number of rotations of circular scale and advancement of the circular scale on the pitch scale there. Okay, that is pitch, that is 1 mm. The least count they are asking. The least count formula we know that this is the least count, no? LC is equals to this one. Okay. So next one, 9th. We will see the 10th one now. 9th one is completed. Now 10th one. So the 10th one it is given. The thimble of screw gauge has n divisions engraved on it. Okay, the thimble has n divisions engraved on it. Means there are number of divisions on the circular scale is small n. It is given small n. If the thimble advances by y mm, has its completes z rotations. So here number of rotations is given there z and distance moved by the thimble it is given y mm. So therefore now the pitch is nothing but pitch is equals to, we'll get there here. So d divided by n we can write here, that is y by z it will be there. So now the least count, they are asking the least count here. Least count is equal to how much? Least count formula we know the same, no? Pitch divided by so number of head scale divisions. Pitch divided by number of head scale divisions. So it is y by z whole divided by n. So therefore here we'll get the answer is, therefore here least count can be written as y divided by n into z. Y divided by n into z. So now this will be the pitch and this will be the least count there. So therefore here answer is option y by z will be the pitch and y by nz will be the least count. Therefore, the correct answer is option 3. Option 3 is the correct one. Okay. Next, 11th question. In the 11th question, there is a diagram is given. From the diagram, we have to calculate. So, there is a circular scale is given. This is a circular scale and here the head scale is given there. Okay. So, it is 40 divisions is given here. So, here it is a 40 division and this will be the 35 and here it is given there 30 and this will be the baseline. It is coincided with this and here 0 line 1, 2, 3, 4th. 4th one is the 5th. Okay, so we'll write like this then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4th. 4th one is the 5th. So in that above diagram, what will be the least count? They are asking the least count and the thimble has the number of divisions. Here it is 100 divisions. 100 divisions the thimble has. This is the circular scale has 100 divisions. Then what is the least count? By seeing that diagram we should find out there. Okay. So now least count formula we know no least count. So least count is nothing but here. This is given in mm, in mm, millimeters. This is given in mm. Then here 5 divisions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th division. So then the pitch is here. Every division. So this is a 1 centimeter, no? 0 to 5. So there are 10 divisions will be there. Then the value of a pitch it can be taken as 1 mm. So from the above diagram, pitch is equals to we can write here 1 mm. For one complete rotation of this, it will be moved 1 millimeter. The circular scale will be moved. It advances on the pitch scale. It is 1 mm. So we'll get here 1 mm pitch. Then least count formula. Least count is equals to we can write there here pitch divided by number of head scale divisions. So we'll get here 1 divided by 100, 1 mm divided by 100 there. We'll get here 0.1 mm, 0.1 mm. So therefore in the least count in the centimeters it will become 0.001 centimeter, since 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters, 10 millimeters. Okay, 10 millimeters. So therefore 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeters will become there, 1 by 10 centimeters. So if you write here, then we can convert into centimeters, we'll get there here 0.001 centimeter. This is a least count. This is a 11th one. 12th one is also from this diagram only. From this diagram only we have to do the 12th one. So here 12th one also will do from this only. Least count is understood. Now we'll see there from the above diagram diameter of the wire. So what is the diameter of the wire they are asking there. So diameter of the wire is nothing but how to find out. So diameter of the wire is equals to, we have to know the PSR. We have seen there the formula PSR plus head scale divisions HSR into least count. That is the formula there. Okay. So now here PSR how can we write there? We have to see there how many divisions it can be visible when the while the wire is coincided, when the wire is adjusted in the studs, then here we have to see there, after the wire adjusted in the studs of the screw gauge, then we have to see there what are the divisions are visible there. We have to leave this first division and remaining divisions we have to see there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth division is coinciding. So we can write here, so 4 mm we can add there, 4 mm plus HSR. So the baseline is coinciding with what division of the circular scale, that is the 35. So baseline is coinciding with the 35. So we can write here, that is the HSR will be the 35 and least count. Least count here we got the 0.01 millimeters. So it is 0.01 millimeters. Then simplify this one, 4 mm plus this will be 0.35. 0.35 mm will get there. So that is equals to, will get there 4.35 mm will get. In centimeters, diameter can be written as in centimeter, 0.435 centimeters. 0.435 centimeters. From here only 1 centimeter is equals to 10 mm. 1 mm is equals to 1 by 10. If you write here, this is mm. 1 mm. In place of 1 mm, if you write here 1 by 10, we will get there 0.435 mm. So now the correct answer is, we can write here, this is a 0.45 now. So now the answer is option for this, answer option 4 is the correct one. Option 4 is correct option. Okay. Now next one is single correct answer type questions. Single type answer. Single answer choice question. Okay. 13th one, we'll see that. One, the pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm. So here in the 13th one, pitch is given there. Pitch of the screw gauge. Pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm. Is equals to 1 mm. 1 mm. Pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm. And then there are 100 divisions are there on the circular scale. So means circular scale. Capital N is the 100 divisions. 100 divisions on the circular scale. Next it is given their scale. When a wire is placed in between the two jaws, the two linear scale divisions are clearly visible. Two linear scale divisions are clearly visible there. So whenever the wire is placed there, number of divisions are visible is 2. And the pitch is given here, pitch is 1 mm there. So now if you multiply this pitch to this, we'll get PSR. So PSR is equals to pitch into this number of divisions. So we'll get here 2 mm. 2 mm will get there. So pitch is the minimum, one division value, one main scale division. So then pitch is the 1 mm and 2 divisions are visible there. If the two studs of the screw gauge are coincided with the, whenever the wire is placed in between the two studs, if they are coincided, then here 2 mm. Two divisions are visible clearly, then 2 will be the PSR, then these 2 divisions will be there, and with the 2 divisions value it will become 2 into 1 mm, 2 mm it will be there, okay. That is a PSR. Now we will see their HSR. So HSR is equals to how much? It is given here, 62 divisions are visible on the circular scale coincide with the reference baseline. So 62 divisions. So 62 divisions, it is coincided. And we know the least count is what here? Least count we can find out there, pitch divided by number of head scale divisions or circular scale divisions. That is 1 mm. 1 mm divided by 100. We'll get here, so LC is equals to 0.01 mm. 0.01 mm. Okay. So now the diameter, we can write the diameter. They are asking the measurement, reading. So reading can be written as reading is equals to PSR plus HSR into least count. HSR into least count. So here PSR is nothing but what there? PSR is this value. Where is this? PSR will be this one. This is a PSR value. Then here we can write the 2 mm plus HSR is the 62. 62 is the HSR and least count is this one 0.01 mm. 0.01 mm. Now here it is 2 plus 0.01 mm into 62. We will get here 0.62. 0.62 mm will get there. So if we add this to 2 plus 0.62, we will get here 2.62 mm. 2.62 mm. So if we convert that into the centimeters, we will get here 0.0262 centimeters. This is the reading. 0.62 centimeters. So okay, they have given all the options in the millimeters only. So we'll get the answer is this one. So the correct answer option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 will be the correct answer. This is option 4. Okay. Now 14th one. So in the 14th one there is a diagram is given. So this is a pitch scale is given here, and this is a circular scale. It is a baseline. This one is given here 40, and this is a 35, and here it is the 30 is given, and this is a 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Like that is given there. So in the above diagram, screw gauge in which circular scale divisions has 200 divisions is given there. So number of divisions on the circular scale it is given there 200 divisions. 200 divisions is given. Then they are asking the least count. What is the least count there? So this is given in millimeters only. In millimeters. So if this circular scale is rotated, then the circular scale will be advances on the pitch scale by 1 mm. So we will get here, we can write here, that is the pitch is equals to 1 mm. 1 mm. And now the least count can be written as here what? The pitch divided by number of head scale divisions or circular scale divisions. Okay. So we write here, that is 1 mm divided by 1 mm divided by here 200. So what can we write here? So we can write here 0.1 mm divided by 2 we can write. So it can be written as 0.005 mm. 0.005 mm. So it is in centimeters. In centimeters, what can we write there? We have to convert it in the centimeters. .01 centimeters. Okay, in centimeters, it can be written as 1 mm is equals to. So LC is equals to 0.0005 centimeters. .00 centimeters. Okay. So now the answer is option 4. Answer is option 4. Fifteenth one is also asking from this only. Okay. 15th question is asking from there only. Is it completed now? 15th, 16th, 17th, all from this the diagram only. Now 15th one. 15th one. So we got here least count of this one now. So we'll see there 15th one now. 15th solution. So 15th one they are asking here from the above diagram calculate the radius of the wire. So from this diagram we should find out the radius of the wire there. Okay. So here we can write there radius R is equals to PSR plus HSR into least count. HSR into least count there. Okay. So now the PSR is nothing but how much there? 0.1, 2, 3, 4. 4 divisions will come there here. 4 divisions. So that is a 1, 2, 3, 4 mm we can write here. 4 mm plus. So now here HSR. HSR is nothing but what is this? It is coinciding with 35. So this will be the 35. 35 into here least count. Least count is what there? 0.0005. 0.005 there. Okay. So mm. This will be mm then. So how much you get there? 35. So 25 plus 15, 17. So 25, 17, no? So this will become 4 mm plus, so we'll get here 0175 mm. 0175 mm. Okay. So now the answer is, so we'll get the, they're asking the radius. We should find out the radius. We'll get the diameter value here. So we'll get here, this is 4.0175 mm. 4.0175 mm. Okay. So now radius, diameter. This is a diameter. Actually, it is a diameter there. The radius can be written as the diameter by 2. So we'll get here multiply, divide by the 2 is 0.175 divided by 2 mm. So we'll get how much there? 2.0 here 825 2.0825. So in centimeters it will become from this in centimeters. So here it is in centimeter. This is in centimeters, no? If this is in centimeters, here it is actually it is in the millimeters, no? That will be in the millimeters there. This value will be in the millimeters. Okay, if it is in the millimeters, here this 0 will not come there, no? So here 0.05 mm, 0.05 mm there. So here we'll get there, so this 0 will be not come there. So this 0 will not be there here. So this one will not be there, here this one. So 2.85 mm will be there, 2.85 mm. Okay, in centimeters it will become there. In centimeter this will be equal to 0.2825 centimeters. That is the answer. In centimeter 0.2825 is centimeters is the answer there. 2.825 millimeters, 0.2825 centimeters. Okay. So now the answer is 15th one answer is here we can add there. Third one. So option answer option 3. Answer option 3. So this one, this value you can see there. I'll write this everything is there. This one you can see, no? So highlight here the top. So this will be the 4 mm continuation, 4 mm plus 0.005 mm, and now this will be equal to here or diameter. So diameter is equals to, we'll get here, and this into 35 now here, 35 mm there. So now it will become there 4 mm plus 0.175 mm. So we'll get here, that is a 4.175 mm. This is a diameter, no? Now radius is nothing but diameter by 2, will get diameter by 2. This is a diameter by 2. So that is equals to, divide this 4.175 divided by 2. So we'll get there 2.825 millimeters will get there. In centimeters it is 0.2825 centimeters. So that is the answer. This will be the answer. So therefore option is, answer option 3 is the right one. Option 3 is right answer. So now from this diagram only, next one, 16th one. We'll see there. Okay. 16th question. So here from this, pitch is equals to 1 mm and least count here, number of divisions are 200 and least count is equals to 1 mm divided by 200. Okay, we'll get there 0.005 mm. Okay, in centimeters it is 0.005 centimeters. So that is the least count. This will be the least count there. So now here in the 16th they are asking there, so we'll see this one. They are given the values there here. The pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm. Pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm. Pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm is given here. The next, the circular scale divisions are. So circular scale divisions are here, 100 divisions is given there, 100 divisions. Then in the measurement of a diameter of a wire, the main scale reads, the measurement of the diameter of the wire, the main scale reads 2 mm. Means PSR is given here, it reads the 2 mm, and the 45th mark on circular scale coincides with the main scale, baseline of the main pitch scale there, okay. And they are asking the least count. They are asking here, so least count. Then here it is given there, HSR is given here, 45. Then least count, we should find out least count formula is what there here. Least count is nothing but, so pitch divided by, so number of head scale divisions. So pitch is a 1 mm divided by 100 divisions. So we'll get how much there, 0.01 mm. 0.01 mm will be the least count, okay. So now in centimeters. So in centimeters this value will become 0.001 centimeters. 0.001 centimeters. So here the options are given there. Both options are given here. 0.01 mm is given, 0.001 centimeters. So answers will come there for this answer two options will come there. Option 1 and 2, 1 and 4. Option 1 and 4 will come there. Option 1 will be in the millimeters and option 4 will be in the centimeter. So now 17th one. So from this data only, from the above problem, the diameter of the wire will be. From this problem, so diameter of the wire we should find out there. So for that here we have the PSR and HSR is given and least count we have found there. Then diameter D is equals to formula is what there, PSR plus HSR into least count. Okay, PSR plus HSR into least count, that is the diameter formula. So PSR is given here 2 mm plus HSR is how much there, 45. 45 into least count is what here, 0.01 mm. 0.01 mm there. Now multiply here 2 plus, so 0.45 will be the multiplication after multiplying least count, we will get that one. Then here, so 2.45 mm, 2.45 mm. Therefore, diameter can be written as, so 2.45 mm in millimeters, that is also equal to 0.245 centimeters. 0.245 centimeters. So that is the answer. D is equals to 0.45 will be the answer. So in centimeters is given there 0.45. This is the answer option. Option 4th one is correct. Option 4th is correct one. So this is option 4th. Correct one now? Now integer type question, so 18th one. Integer type questions. The pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm and least count is 0.001 centimeter. The number of divisions marked on its thimble are. Okay. So here 18th solution, it is a numerical type question. Numerical type. So the pitch of the screw gauge is here, it is 1 mm is given, 1 mm, and the least count is given here 0.001 centimeters. So that is least count is equals to 0.001 centimeters. Then they are asking here number of divisions marked on the thimble. So number of divisions marked on the thimble there. So number of divisions, n is equal to how much there. So now we know the formula, least count formula is pitch divided by number of head scale divisions now. So they are asking here n. So from this, so least count they have given there, that we should write here 0.001 centimeters, and this is a 1 centimeter. So this is a 1 mm, 1 millimeter divided by n, 1 millimeter divided by n there now. So now from this, you send this n this side and send this 0.001. That side will get here 1 mm divided by 0.001 centimeters. So convert this also into millimeters there. This we can write here 0.1 centimeter now. So divided by 0.001 centimeters. So this and this will be cancelled there. Okay. So now here we will get this one 1 by 1000. Here 1 by 10 and 1 by 1000 will be there. So 0 will be cancelled here. So it will become 100 divisions. N is equals to 100 divisions. Therefore, here N is equals to, will get 100 divisions. N is equals to 100 divisions there. Okay. N is equals to 100 divisions. So now the correct answer is option no. So numerical type no, this is the answer. Now 19th one we'll see there, 19th solution. Okay, 19th one. When a screw gauge with a least count of 0.01 mm is used to measure the diameter of a wire, the reading on the sleeve is found to be 1 mm and the reading on the thimble is found to be 27 divisions, the diameter of the wire is. Okay, here it is given there least count. Least count is given here 0. So LC is given there, LC is 0.01 millimeters. 0.01 millimeters is used to measure the diameter, and the reading on the sleeve is found 1 mm. So means PSR is, we got there 1 mm. PSR is a 1 mm, and the next it is given there. The reading on the thimble is found to be 27 divisions. So HSR we can write here, HSR is equals to 75, so 27 divisions. Okay. So now they are asking the diameter of the wire is, So here diameter D is equals to, we can write here PSR plus HSR into least count, So here PSR is nothing but what there? 1 mm plus HSR is nothing but 27 into least count is, so 0.01 mm. So we will get here 1 plus, this is 0.27 mm. So we will get there 1.27 mm. So therefore, the answer diameter is equals to 1.27 mm. We will get there. It is in centimeters, 0.127 centimeters. Okay, it is in centimeters, 0.127. So 20th problem, it is given from the above data, if the zero error is plus 0.015 centimeter, then the correct diameter of the wire is, From the above data, there is a zero error is given there. Zero error, it is given there plus positive error, that is positive error. So 0 plus 0.005 centimeters is given there, plus 0.005 centimeters. So now corrected reading. So they are asking the corrected diameter. So corrected diameter. So we can write here observed diameter minus, if it is a error is a positive, zero error will be the positive, correction will be the negative. We have to subtract. Okay. So we can write here 0.005 centimeters. So it is given in the centimeters. Then the observed diameter also we should take centimeter value, that is 0.127 minus 0.005 centimeters. This is centimeters. Okay. So then how much we get it there? So it is a 2, 1. So 0.122 centimeters. Therefore the corrected diameter is 0.122 centimeters. Okay. That is the answer. So in the next class, we are going to start next chapter, that is the vectors. And here the might ask problems are there, you can solve it then. Okay. Thank you, children.